This is the Wavy Talk Tourmaline Ceramic Curling Iron. This has an LCD digital display with 9 different temperature settings. You have an instant heat up. It includes a heat protectant glove. And what I like about this one is that it also has a temperature setting lock so that you can't accidentally turn up your heat while you're styling your hair. First, I'm going to unbox this and then we're going to go through using it. I normally don't use a curling iron this small, so I was really interested to see what I could do with this one. Now, just to point out, I'm not a professional, but this also has all your settings there. It has the stand and a swivel cord so that you're not getting tangled up while you're trying to style your hair. You have all your different settings, and the digital display makes it easy. First up, I'm going to go ahead and brush my hair out and get ready for styling. I really like the color of this one too, but I'm a little partial to pink things. It has a nice pink metallic look. I'm going to section out my hair. This makes it a lot easier because I have a lot of frizzies and things that tend to get tangled up when I try to style my hair. So I need to section it off into small sections to avoid pulling hair from other sections. And we're just going to check this one out. I'm going to try a few different ways to see how it curls. Again, I'm not a professional. I'm just using this at home to fix my hair. And we'll see how it works out for me. It'll take a few minutes for me to get some curls for us to actually look at. But I have to say, like, it actually seems to heat evenly faster. And it doesn't take a lot of time for a single curl to be done with this one. As someone who's often busy, it's great when I can find something that will style my hair fast. I'm going to keep sectioning it out, keep styling it, and we're going to check it out when it's done. I went with a little larger sections because then I seem to not get that funky end. Because I'm not coordinated enough to curl it the way a hairdresser would, I just have my own way of doing things, and it works for me. But all in all, start to finish, I was able to get this one done in about 15 minutes for my whole head. And there's a bunch of ringlets everywhere for now, but we're going to kind of go through after using the Wavy Talk curling iron and fluff these out and see what happens. I'm using a comb and just easily separating the curls with the end of the comb to try and avoid any frizz. And they actually do give really cute curls, and this curl held for a really long time, which I was pretty surprised that I didn't use a lot of product. Highly recommend giving this a try if you're looking for a new curling iron.